Hello, everyone, and welcome to GITEX Insights. I'm joined today by Alan Chi from Huawei Cloud. Welcome, Alan.
My pleasure.
Great to have you with us. So, Alan, being here at GITEX, obviously a big highlight at the show is AI, data sovereignty, sustainability. So, what key message or innovation is Huawei Cloud, sharing at GITEX this year when it comes to these segments?
I think that Huawei Cloud or even Huawei as a group, we are clearly that heading to the AI strategy and the AI direction. So as if you visit our booth, you can see that our AI technology has been used in our network connectivity business and also in our AI and cloud and computing business. And you can also find the AI technologies has been used in our autonomous driving, EV car business, and also the smartphone and smart devices business. So AI has been, discussed and practiced in our group from end to end for all the portfolio.
And today, obviously, with a lot of technology implementations, technology innovations, customers want to more than just adopt these technologies. They also want to work with vendors and technology providers who can add more value to their business through collaboration. So can you just share some insights as to how Huawei Cloud is working with customers and partners in terms of delivering measurable value to enterprises today?
Sure. I believe that no doubt, and in Middle East, everybody, all the countries, all the entities, government, enterprise, tech operators, consumers, everybody are now embracing cloud technology. The country like Saudi, UAE, Qatar, they are pushing, they are encouraging the government entities and enterprise to move to the cloud. So definitely it will give the enterprise, government, SME customers more latest technologies, more agile in using the IT services, and also that always updated with the latest technology. And definitely any technology, any service is to achieve better efficiency, better TCO, and always the business innovation. For example, take AI as example. Now many government cloud customers, they start to implement the AI chatbot. So that will require the AI computing power service and also the model management and someone to provide also the enterprise knowledge base. So all of these capabilities has been built by nature on cloud. This is where that people will start to see more and more value when they adopt the cloud strategy and when they implement or when they move to the cloud.
So more on delivering measurable value. Obviously, adopting AI does not come without challenges. So from Huawei's perspective, how are you, supporting organizations? How are you supporting customers when it comes to, overcoming or addressing these challenges?
Well, the challenge is obvious, and when we are discussing AI, I think there are important factors. And the first is the AI computing power. Second is the data. You need to have high quality data to train your models. Then you can have the AI application, AI enabled services on top. And at the same time, you need to have the professional service, right, to integrate the AI technology into business scenarios. Last but not least, also the talent is another challenge. Huawei, as one of the international company, I believe that we can bring the end-to-end full stack AI service and capability to this market, because as people know that we have our AI computing power, and so we have our own NPU technologies. We also have this AI computing power on premises and also on public cloud. So this will give another option to the market. People can have easy access to the AI computing power. So once you have the AI computing power, we will also provide the data governance service. For example, on Huawei Cloud, we have data arts as the engine for you to create, manage the high quality data. Then once you have the data, you need to have a platform to manage to use this data to train the models. Now there are many open source models, including Llama, started a few years ago. Now also you can see many Chinese open source models has become very active and accepted by the market, including DeepSeek, including iFlyTech, also Huawei. We have our open Pangu large language models, and also the CV models. So with all these models, we can bring this ecosystem on top of Huawei Cloud. So all of these models are supported by Huawei Cloud and Huawei model as a service. And last but not least, in order to make your applications, first to train your sovereignty model, then who will, with the data, with the open source model, who will help you in the professional service? This is where that Huawei can support as well, because we have our in-house model. So we have the know-how, we have data scientists, we have AI, expertise, we have a strong tenant base, tenant pool in China. This will support our customers in turning AI into reality. Last but not the least, we bring in the AI practices for different verticals, because China market has been moving so fast. So for financial sectors, for government, for healthcare, for education, for e-commerce, we have famous companies who's using AI. We have famous software and application providers, AI service providers in China. So we are happy to bring them here. Actually, the Middle East has become the #1 priority for Chinese companies to expand their business in overseas market.
Thank you so much for your time today, Alan. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.